In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dodge and burn in Luminar Neo. First things first, let's get Luminar Neo up and running. Go ahead and launch the program from your desktop. Once you're in, shift your attention to the Catalog tab. Here, you can select your image. You can either click on an image from the list that's already been uploaded, or, if you need to, you can add photos by selecting the image directly from your computer. This gives you the flexibility to work with any specific shot you're ready to enhance. Now, navigate over to the Edit tab. You'll find it in the top menu. Within this Edit tab, keep an eye out for the Professional section, because that's where the magic happens. You'll want to select the Dodge and Burn tool, a fundamental feature for lightening and darkening specific areas of your image. This tool is essential when you're looking to add depth and dimension, subtly directing the viewer's eye to focal points within your photograph. Once you've selected the Dodge and Burn tool, you'll see two options: lighten and darken. When you click the Lighten button, it acts as a dodge, brightening areas of your photo. On the flip side, the Darken button allows you to burn or darken sections as needed. With these tools selected, we can move on to adjusting your brush settings, which is where you can really tailor the tool to your specific needs. Start by changing the size setting. This determines the diameter of your brush, letting you work on either broad or fine sections of your image. Next up is softness. This setting controls the feathering of your brush strokes, creating a softer and more gradual transition. Softness is key for ensuring your edits blend naturally with the rest of the photograph. Finally, adjust the strength. This controls how intense the effect is with each stroke. A lower strength allows for subtle, buildable changes, particularly useful for achieving those nuanced adjustments. Once your brush is set, it's time to paint over the areas you want to lighten or darken. Building up the effect with several passes often yields the most natural-looking outcomes, allowing you to craft the scene with precision. After painting, the amount slider is your friend. This tool fine-tunes the overall strength of your effect, letting you moderate it to perfection once your painting is complete. If at any point you decide a change isn't quite right, don't worry. The Erase button is there for you. Simply click it and brush over those areas to remove any unwanted effects. And there you have it, a complete, polished image using the Dodge and Burn technique in Luminar Neo.